Bitcoin disbelief. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Yes? Then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news fun on the right. Crypto a tope. We told you yesterday in Spanish and in English that we have some trouble, some problems. Houston, we have difficulties, and we had them for sure. As you can see, we broke the two lines we didn't want to break, the one with the last previous lows and the 28,888, which is the most important line. We're telling you since long time ago, since 1 month ago, is the line for the year, the quarter, the semester, the month. Everything holds there, and we are losing it. So if you want to know why this is so important and why now Bitcoin looks like going down for good, just watch that video we told you about with all this information. You can see 20,888. It was support so many times in the past, and now we were dreaming of having it again as support, but we broke the line. And now the trend that we started at the first day of this year is maybe ending. Maybe we are going south from here. And there's some bad news today. We have to tell you, there's not just good news in the crypto sphere. And the thing is that the Bitcoin trading volume is on the lowest point ever recorded. What does it mean? That there's no a lot of interest in Bitcoin. Retail is out of it. And now just the huge whales, the big investors are buying. So no trading. So you have here a sign that there's no interest in this market. Also, not even volatility. Bitcoin's price volatility is at historical lows with only a 2.9% separation range between the Bollinger's bands. This is the third highest spread in the history of Bitcoin price. So crazy, so boring that we don't even have a gap in the CNMV futures for Bitcoin since June, a long time ago. So let's pray, let's blow here, everybody, to see if we can close the monthly candle in 29,234. That would mean a green candle. And remember, all our theories that we are following this path here. So we need now this green candle in order to believe that we are going to have 3 green candles in a row. But right now the market is in the red, the bubbles in the red, and the market is going down. Stock market 2% down, and they are like, oh my god, but we smile like Leonardo DiCaprio there. What about NFT traders? They are not 40% down, they are 99% down, and they are still happy. That's our thing. We party even though death is here, and now we are going down. We'll see. Right now a hammer candle there, so maybe we will go back up. We're trying to close in the weekly, in the moving average of 20, but we lost it with this week. So we'll see if it's possible to maintain or not. The stock market is in the red. You can see Asia today going crazy up, but USA went down. What's going on out there? Well, some rumors that China is in a huge crisis. Remember that then some other experts believe that China is going to be okay and is going to be first crypto and first everything in the world in the future. So we'll see about that. And dollar action, that maybe it's going to start going down as we predicted here. So maybe this is the worst we are living in August. Remember last video we told you everything about August and what we believe was going to happen. And we have some good news too. Like for example, in the hash ribbons indicator, we had a buy sign. So this may be good for Bitcoin. And remember the path we draw for next all-time high for Bitcoin in April 2024, and then the next top in April 2025. So we still on that path. We'll see if we can maintain it. Thing is, we have good news, like for example this one, Coinbase. The SEC is after Coinbase, but now they just won with the NFA an approval to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum futures in United States. So some regulators after Coinbase, some others are trying to invest with them. And also remember all about next Argentinian president to be, who told us here his opinion about Bitcoin.
El problema es que los estados no te van a querer ceder que el curso forzoso, porque del curso forzoso te estafan con el impuesto inflacionario. Entonces,
trouble is that states are not going to give you permission in order to lose control about printing money. Bitcoin is that possibility, it's the possibility of giving back the power to the private sector, to the retail, to the people, but we are going to need to fight all those in power right now. So good to hear that President to be is backing Bitcoin like this. So good. Thank you, Coin Bureau, for telling us this. Remember, if you want to know all about it, we did this video and all the Argentinian riders wrote comments there, so you can learn from there too. Remember that in this audio also, pro-Bitcoin Argentinian presidential candidate Javier Milei is vowing to shut down the country's central bank if he wins. He says it has no reasons to exist. He's also going to reduce the government and all the departments there. So be careful, because I think it's lovely what you're trying to do. I encourage that. I like it. I prefer a small government, less and less public servants. And also probably it's not a good idea to have that central bank. But be careful, because you need to remember what happened to Kennedy when he was trying to back gold in United States. Anyways, we have an Argentinian president which is backing Bitcoin, and also Donald Trump that also that usually talks BS about crypto and Bitcoin, etc. We knew that he has a lot of Ethereum, but now following his address, we know that he has more than that. He has also some Matic, he has some non-fungible tokens, some NFTs, and then you can see also WETH and USDC, the stable coin. So Donald Trump, now we're here following his account allegedly, and he is backing crypto. So you can see that even people that is talking bad about Bitcoin, they are investing. What about the billionaires? Well, David Rubenstein here is saying good things about Bitcoin too.
FTX really hurt when it went bankrupt, and it hurt the crypto industry. But a lot of people around the world want to be able to trade in a currency that their government can't know what they have, and they want to be able to move it around, rightly or wrongly. And so I don't think Bitcoin is going away. I think the Republicans on Capitol Hill have been...
I don't think Bitcoin is going away. That's what this billionaire is telling us. And more good news, we have for Ledger. Ledger is partnering with PayPal. We told you about all the development we're having on PayPal and how now you're going to have this stablecoin PYUSD and how you will buy and sell with this Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. And now you can buy with PayPal and then send it to your Ledger Live with Ledger and custody and self-custody your crypto there, so they can take it away from you. So interesting. It's not just possible outside United States, but in the future, allegedly it will be. So we will tell you about here in front on the right. We also tell you that the bad news today for PayPal is like in UK, they have to hold Bitcoin purchases until 2024 to comply with new crypto regulations. But it's more important, this partnership with Ledger. If you want to buy one, you have the link in the description. Also to all these videos we created for you for free, so you understand how this works. And remember also good stuff like Tesla talking good things about Bitcoin in the past. Then he said it was not a good thing. And now we are again with this 50% renewable thing he wanted for Bitcoin to be accepted in Tesla. And here, this guy that created a Tesla miner. So cool. Maybe Elon Musk will answer to this, hopefully. So we love this car. This is the one we need. which is making money while driving. And what about this Lamborghini? It's going to be electric, so maybe now we need an electric Lambo when we get to the moon. Maybe so. To the moon, it's going to go Dogecoin. We told you about that in last video, but Bitcoin is in space since 6 years ago today. Remember, 6 years ago today, Blockstream launched a satellite still in operation, broadcasting the Bitcoin blockchain around the world 24/7 for free. We are unstoppable, and we are going to be on TV on this show, not found on the right, but the Crypto Bros represented here with this reality show. It's going to have some contestants just gaming each other to win a prize estimated to be worth over $150,000. They will talk about crypto. So interesting. It's like The Apprentice for crypto. The market is neutral today, and we should fear more the financial banks, even though here with Wall Street Wolverine we knew that a mistake in some banks allow people in Ireland to just have 1,000 euros even if they don't have it. So good, we're going to try in our ATM just in case. And what about this piece of information? But 2, a Satoshi era Bitcoin awakened, with 1,000 Bitcoin moving from that wallet after 13 years. They were worth like 300 something, and now they are $29 million. Crazy if you hold for that long. And also bad news today for Shiba Inu, for Shibarium. They finally had their mainnet, but they are having trouble with some ETH block in a breach. So they probably lost a lot of money, and that's why Shiba Inu is losing 8.2%. Fiasco for Shiba Inu. Bad news for Litecoin, keeps on going down. We are down 23% since the halving. We predicted this, even though we are no experts and we don't give financial advice. Also, we expected XRP to go 57% down, and we are in a very interesting point here with previous resistances. So maybe now support for XRP, or we go to this other line to that 57% retracement. Ethereum did it crashed, and we are just below $1,782, which is bad also for Ethereum. He was jealous of Bitcoin looking so bad, so now Ethereum looks back too. And we have to follow DeFi ecosystem and Dogecoin ecosystem, Pepe, and all those meme coins with DEXTools.io. You have the link in the description, where we see that Pepe is almost in the white line now, and we'll see, because it looks pretty bad. The market is not good. We will tell about this in September 28, 29, and 30th in Galicia, Spain. In Santiago, we'll be there with BlockGalicia, DEXTools, and other friends. If you want a 30% discount in the ticket, you have the link in the description below. And remember, our partners, DEXTools, also coin tracking, you have a 10% discount in the description if you need a tracker like the one I use. And thank you to CoinEx, partners to this month, because they retweeted our tweet about the futures that you can operate for free. You want to know about this? Well, you have the link in the description for CoinEx, where you'll have that coupon of 5 USDT in order to operate margin without using your own money. Thing is that trading is not easy. You can lose everything, but it's a good thing to try with money that is not yours, right? So you can do that now. Remember, CoinEx makes things easier for you, link in the description. And remember that trading is dangerous. You can see this guy trying to master how to sell high and buy low, but finally the market is crazier than you are, and you panic sell, and the market will just hit your balls once and another all the time. Be careful with that. And thank you very much to the friends that are sending me some messages through the video I just created the other day to teach you how to send messages with Ethereum, even though Ethereum is not created for that, it's just for money transactions. But here you can see again how to send hexadecimal messages that you can then turn into the message you want to tell to that person. So this guy or this girl tell me happy birthday. So thank you very much for the effort, and congratulations on learning how to send messages with Ethereum. If you keep on sending me those messages, I will read them in Fun on the Right Crypto Show, where we are happy with these people holding all the Bitcoin they can. I want it all because I believe in the future it's going to be worth a lot. What about this guy just chilling now? Well, my Bitcoin is in my ledger and now I just have to wait till it's worth $1 million. Hopefully so, little monkey. What about this cat mastering everything? You can see that cats are faster than snakes are, so it's not easy for a snake to bite a cat. We need to be as expert as this guy. But maybe now you are tired because we learned so many things today and you are falling asleep like this guy. Well, then let's rest a little bit about all this wall. Do not be like this guy. Just slept with eyes like crazy. There, it looks dead. What about this guy in the window also? Well, I'm okay here. I'm just trying to mine a Bitcoin block with my mind. We'll help you with that, but we are not good with math. We prefer to have a massage like this guy is giving this girl. I'm so jealous about it. And let's remember that we need to keep on trying no matter what, like this guy is doing. And finally, we will jump into the skate that will bring us to the moon. Don't you think so? I do too. And we will be so happy like this Dogecoin is moving its ears and tail. We have no more time today. You have this video in Spanish if you want, in Fun on the Right. If you want more in English, just wait till next crypto news here. Fun on the Right, health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!